Hello, my YouTube followers. Here's what I got here for you today. I got my potatoes. The leaves look like they're about dying now. It's been about 3 months. Why don't we take a look at what's happening? So I got my bucket here. I'm gonna rip off the top. And we'll see what we got. We got a bunch of baby nuggets here. Let's see what happens. So I got my little milk crate. I'm gonna use that as a grading tool. Let's see how many potatoes we got. Time to put it on top. Drop one. Oh, here's a big one.
Sammy, you want to take the all the potatoes out?
Yeah, go ahead, take some more. So,
put it on the ground here, baby.
Down here. So we got that 5-gallon bucket. We have a few. Let's see what else we got. Oh, another one. Bunch of baby nuggets. Couple more. Yep, that's it. How many do we get, Sam? 19. A few big ones, a few small ones. Well, that's all for today. See you again.